Hello everyone, today I'll be presenting to you my project Smart Bed Backrest. Smart Bed Backrest is a mobile app based sleep repositioning system intended to help GRD or heartburn and sleep apnea patients get a good night's sleep. Now let's discuss what GRD or heartburn is. GRD or gastroesophageal reflux disease is a digestive disorder that occurs when the acidic contents of a stomach find their way back into the esophagus. The esophagus comes equipped with a valve-like structure known as the lower esophageal sphincter. The lower esophageal sphincter opens to let the food inside the stomach and closes so that the acidic contents from the stomach don't flow back into the esophagus. But in GRD patients, this valve relaxes inappropriately. The LES relaxes inappropriately during sleep, allowing the acidic contents to damage the food pipe, which causes other complications like Barrett's esophagus, esophageal strictures, esophageal cancer, etc. There are a few treatment options available for this, such as medications like PPI and antacids, H2 receptor blockers, etc. Surgery options like fundoplication surgery and dietary and lifestyle changes. There are a few dietary changes like avoiding trigger foods and lifestyle changes like quitting smoking and alcohol. Let's talk about lifestyle changes that are even more important and I want to discuss with you, which is sleeping in back raised position. Doctors suggest the patient to lay in back raised position while sleeping, and this prevents the acid reflux because due to the presence of gravity. If the patient sleep in Fowler's position the entire night, they may experience problems such as back pain, neck pain, and effects of disturbed sleep. First time when you hear of this option known as sleeping in back raised position, it may seem simple and great, but this is the problem. You have back pain and neck pain and effects of disturbed sleep the next day, and due to which patients start preferring medicines more than healthy lifestyle changes. Now that we have talked enough about GRD, let's talk about sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a condition that causes you to stop breathing for short periods while you are sleeping. This decreases oxygen levels in your body and also causes death of many brain cells and other body cells. There is the most common cause of obstructive sleep apnea is excessive weight and obesity, which is associated with soft tissue of mouth and throat. During sleep, when throat and tongue muscles are more relaxed, this soft tissue can cause the airway to become blocked. There are a few treatment options, again like regular exercising to reduce obesity. CPAP, which is a mask-like device as shown over here, it is to maintain a continuous positive air pressure, which is actually again the name of the device, continuous positive air pressure, which is known as CPAP. And then there's left lateral sleep, which is a cure for mild sleep apnea. So let's discover what our solution is. Our solution is a mobile app controlled sleep repositioning system, namely Smart Bed Backrest, with automatic recline mechanism for GRD and inflatable tilter for sleep apnea. This arrangement is to improve the sleep quality of people suffering from GRD or heartburn and sleep apnea. Now let's discuss how it works. The device holds the patient in Fowler's position or back raised position until the gastric emptying is complete. So gastric emptying is the time it takes for the food to completely empty the stomach. After the stomach is empty, there is no risk of the acidic contents going back into the esophagus. After the gastric emptying is complete, the backrest automatically declines to flat position or supine position, as it is called in medical terms. Supine position is the natural sleeping position and which offers the best quality sleep. Now let's talk about sleep apnea. For high-grade GRD patients, especially patients who have comorbid condition sleep apnea, the ideal position should be compound inclined and left lateral position. An automated inflatable mat controlled by the mobile app gently pushes the right dorsal region to push on the right. So the inflatable pushes on your right dorsal region to reposition you to left lateral position. Studies show that this compound inclined and left side sleeping position makes refluxing virtually impossible because the LES or the lower esophageal sphincter is positioned high above or well above the level of stomach contents. Now let's talk about the application and mechanism. So you might have had a question in your mind right now. which is how does the bed know when the gastric emptying is complete, and that's where the application enters. The mobile application calculates the gastric emptying time based on various parameters entered by the patient or carer, such as type and volume of food, age, gender, medication, medical condition, etc., which affects the rate of gastric evacuation. The input value of all of these factors is processed by an algorithm which determines the appropriate time of decline, which is then communicated to microcontroller in the bed backrest attachment, after which it declines from supine position to Fowler's position. Now let's talk about the automated inflation system. We have come up with a new technology known as the inflatable lateral repositioner, which is a model for GRD patients with sleep apnea and snoring issues. Over here, if you can see the image, it shows finger-like projections, which are inflatables, which will be filled column-wise synchronously to gently lift the patient and tilt the patient to desired position, which is left lateral over here. And moreover, this automated inflation and deflation system is controlled by the app, and it also mimics natural tilt and turn during sleep and will improve the blood circulation while sleeping, also preventing bed sores. Now let's talk about the unique features. Our bed backrest attachment is innovative, cost effective, comes with a free mobile app, and is easy to install. It is innovative because wedges, pillow lifters, and profiling beds are already available in the market in abundance. But the prospect of an automated inflation system and repositioning system, which is the recline mechanism, controlled by the application, which takes in many other parameters and inputs, is new to the market and one of its kind. It is cost effective because the basic model costs a few thousands as opposed to lakhs together costed by profiling beds and beds which are used for sleep repositioning. We also are trying to provide a free mobile app which will be uploaded to Play Store soon, and the users will be able to easily install the application on their mobiles without having to pay a dime. It is easy to install. You just have to attach the device because it's no modification to the bed itself, so you can attach it to any bed and you can tap on the mobile, enter some details, and relax. So that's about it. That's my project. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you and bye bye.